Come here. Ah! 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 I don't want to go to jail. So some of you guys will remember I bought this prisoner transport Paddy Wagon van about a year ago, and it's just been sitting here collecting dust. And I recently watched the original video and I remembered I didn't get to fully search it like I usually do. I didn't even get to start the damn thing or even drive it or test it out at that. So I'm going back, fully searching it. Let's tour it. Let's see what was left behind. Let's see if this thing is hiding a biscuit all along. Let's go. All right, guys, so this thing has been sitting here for like literally a year. My question is, will it start?
Ready?
Yeah. Nothing?
It won't even turn over.
Okay, pop the hood. Just squeeze in there, shimmy in there. Batteries on that side.
Oh, it's not connected.
Oh, okay, I see that. Go ahead and try to start it now.
You got your...
Oh, the other one too.
Which key is it?
Try all of them. Nothing? Oh, the battery's dead. I'm gonna get the jump box. Let's go. Oh, I hear life. Oh. Oh, you hear that? That was a nasty little knock. Oh. Oh, it's got a beeping noise. Go for it. Okay, so we're gonna need a new battery and a new alternator, but we'll take care of that at the very end. All right, guys, so it's been a year since I messed with this thing. I missed it so much. What the? No, somebody stole the gas cap. What the hell? Seriously? Maybe they were siphoning gas or something? That's freaking weird. This thing been smacked a few times, just sitting here, you know, people just backing into stuff, being careless since it's not their property. They can give 2 Fs. So another thing that I didn't notice the first time is that this van has hideaway lights. I know it's gonna be really hard to see in here. Hideaway lights in the front as well, and a Wheelin siren speaker in there. So this van is 100% capable of code 3, which is very odd because who's gonna be code 3ing through the streets of Oakland with the back full of prisoners? Pretty cool, but odd. All right, we are gonna go on the roof. Okay, so there's an antenna right there, and then there's a light bar switch. Our first light bar went right here. Unit number 95. This seems to be the air conditioning unit thing. Light bar wires for the light bar in the back. Check it out, guys. I ended up fixing the spotlight on this thing, even though it is still a little loose. All right, let's take a quick look inside. Look at this thing right here. This is a prisoner cage. This looks like some super thick bullet resistant plexiglass. You are not getting out of this thing. And then right over here is where all the radio equipment, siren controls, temperature control, and all of that went. Oh, look, I ended up finding this camera tucked in the crevices. And you guys were saying that this switch right here, there's a view from the bottom, is actually to turn off the power to the van, which I think you guys are right. Federal signal. It's a map light. Oh, and look, here's the finger cuffs. These are used in addition to the regular handcuffs for those crazy wild prisoners. That's crazy. I wonder if the regular handcuff keys work on this thing. I guess I'll, oh, you know what? I could test it out real quick. Because in here, we got this box full of handcuff keys. Oh, I do not like the feeling of this. Okay, let's check the back. Not again. Little switch box right there. This thing actually opens up. Look, let me see if I can open it up real quick. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at this thick glass. Interesting. Look at these tires. They're like literally brand spanking new. Let's see what else. What the heck is this? This isn't stock. Black box. What? Bro, come check this out.
What is it?
Look, check it out. A straight up black box.
What?
You know?
What is that?
I think planes and boats and stuff have like an indestructible box that records video, audio, GPS location, and all that stuff. Basically, if something were to go down, they can go back and retrieve this box and find out all the data, which is pretty freaking crazy.
It's sick.
I wonder if I would need like special software or anything to retrieve that data. There's like a little magazine pouch or something, little thing that's been in there for ages. Restore breathing mouth to mouth.
Or let me see. This is to prevent the herps McGurps.
So that goes in the mouth, and then
This
you
goes
put
on
that,
the back end.
and you blow through there. Grossaroni. Yuck. Sharps container. Ta-da! So this is where they keep half of the prisoners, because this is only the front part. This thing, there's another part right there actually. Oh yeah, I did a giveaway video, but the person who won them originally never claimed them. So I'm gonna do it one more time. Just comment handcuffs and I will randomly pick somebody in the very next video. Okay, so these paddy wagons have a lot of hiding spaces. As you can see, look, there's a little baggie right here. I found some fentanyl here before. Damn it, there's nothing in there.
You been in these?
I've been in those many times.
Oh wait, I think I did it backwards. These are the hands.
Oh yeah. Jeez. Hey.
Hey, keep quiet down there.
Oh yeah, that's not a good feeling. If you are claustrophobic, this is not a good place for you. Yep, check it out. Drugs. This is tiny little freaking crack rock. Yeah, this van definitely did not get searched right, because there is a little baggie full of stuff. Oakland Police Department, the most dangerous city in California. This van is like the ultimate kidnapper van right here. All you got to do is spray paint free candy and you can lure the little dweebs in here. You could capture them, throw them in this dungeon. There is no getting out of this thing. And honestly, like, this thing is probably soundproof. I mean, it's already bulletproof. Look at that strong plexiglass. So I'm gonna have Danny back up, go in there. He's gonna scream bloody murder and see how soundproof it really is. All right. Yeah, hold on, I'm gonna lock you in there first.
Just make sure you have the keys. Last time you lost the keys.
And go. Shut up, criminal. It sounds real muffled. Check out this freaking lock right here. You are not getting out of that. And then on top of that, there's a lock pad that goes there. Holy smokes. Here's a picture of what the van used to look like before it was decommissioned. This is a view from the back. Let's go ahead and open it up. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, so this is a Havis shield or Havis shield. I wonder how difficult it would be to remove this thing. Oh, check it out. Leg irons. I'm getting out the bus with handcuffs and shackles hella tight on my ankle cause the cop's an asshole. Ugh, I should be a rapper. And you know what? These things are so wide. I could like literally go about my whole day wearing these like nothing. What the heck's even the point? Still a bunch of stuff in there. Zip tie handcuffs. Nasty, nasty gloves. Spit knit mask. You gotta unlock that. And this is where you go if you're a bad boy. Well, it's a lot cleaner now than it was. It's still nasty though. This is the type of people that get locked up. Socialism now. Open borders now. I really never understood that. Like, open the borders. That's like saying open the doors to your house and let anybody in. There's a lot of bad people out there, guys. Be careful what you wish for. Some idiot thinks it's 1930 something. What a duffus.
This is some serious padding. Look how thick this is.
I think this is really there so people won't bang their heads. Oh,
Let's give it a test.
Oh, it's super soft actually. Check it out. Seems kind of heavy. What is this? Hennessy Keith. Oh, what is this? Drag. Oh, it's leaking. It's a friggin' vape pen. I guess they took it away from him and forgot to give it back. Oh well. Oh yeah, it was leaking through pretty bad. All right, guys, so she has 108,000 miles. I literally have not driven it since I got here. We're gonna start her up because right now, since she's been sitting for so long, she has like this suspicious knock on it. Go ahead and start her up. You hear that? Oh, that's not good. So we're gonna check that out real quick. I doubt that's what's causing the knock, but okay, so we added the stabilizer. We're gonna see if that helps with the knocking. Yep. I'd say it's about the same. Damn it. Back when it was in service, had a light bar. So I added this light bar right here.
Hey! Paddy Wagon! Get in the Paddy Wagon, criminal!
But I don't want to go to jail.
You shouldn't have been drinking and driving.
Well, how was I supposed to make that decision if I was drunk?
Oh no. What? Get the spit mask.
I don't want to go to jail. I didn't know what I was doing. I was too drunk. I don't want to go to jail.
Joe, put your hands on, McSpitty.
If I was drunk, how was I supposed to make the decision not to drive? Even the educational video says that you lose your judgment and impairment when you're drunk. So how was I supposed to make the decision not to drive if I lost my impairment and my decision making?
Get in the Paddy Wagon.
Why?
Cry to your mommy.
No, I refuse.
Hey, get back here. Get in the Paddy Wagon.
I refuse. I don't want to go to. I don't want to go to jail. You're not supposed to really hit me, Duffus.
Come here.
I don't want to go to jail. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here.
Hey, shut up back there. Keep it down. Shut up back there.
You're taking me against my will. This is kidnapping. I don't want to go in a cage to go to another cage. I don't want to go. It wasn't me. This is technically kidnapping.
Of course, this idiot is blocking the road.